After I turn the light on and then you seen something that looked good and tasty on his leg. Oh my goodness. I offer you a kebab. You don't want the kebab? He wants the kebab to pet him. Why? Why does the kebab have to pet you? You're supposed to taste it. Taste the kebab. You might like it. Does it make a good back scratcher? Oh yeah. Alright, so I had a thought tonight. We need the world's tiniest back scratcher for Lemon Drop. I think Lemon Drop agrees that he wants a back scratcher, but we got to find the world's tiniest back scratcher for him.